Welcome back to Alex's LEGO Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build the Mandalorian Razor Crest. So this is a pretty well-known ship from the show The Mandalorian, and I'm going to be showing you how to build it today. These are all the pieces that you're going to need for the build, and once you have collected these pieces, we can begin building. Okay, so the first piece that you're going to need is a 1x1 brick with one stud on the side. And you're going to get a 1x2 center stud, so it only has one stud in the middle. And you're going to put them on like this, so it's sideways. Next you're going to get one of these pieces. It's like a silver bar, like a gray bar. And you're just going to put it on top like that. Next, you're going to get a 1x1 brick with two studs on the sides, and you're just going to put it sideways on there like this. Next, you're going to get two 1x1 pieces, and you're just going to put them on like this, onto the sides, like that. Next you're going to get two 1x1 pieces, but they have this little circle thing on it, and you're going to point that up like this, so it should look like that, and you're going to put the other one on like this. So here's the ship so far. Next you're going to put four of these. They're 1x1 circles. You're just going to put them facing back. You're going to get three more. This is going to form the engines. You're just going to put them on like this. And this is optional. If you want to, you can put two orange circle tiles onto the back. That would be like the engine going, but if you don't want that, you can just leave it like this. I'm going to put those on though to show you what it looks like. So it'll look like this. The last two pieces that you're going to need are this little cylinder thing with a stud on the end, and in this hole back here you're going to stick it in like that. And you're going to get a 1x1 tile that is slanted, and you're just going to put it onto the back like this. So this is the Razor Crest, and if you have enjoyed, please leave a like, and if you have an idea for something you want me to make, please leave a comment. Goodbye.